Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the high-low channel indicator for MT4. All right, if you are seeking the MT5 version, just check the description below. You're going to see the links to both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. All right, now after downloading the indicator, just head over to your data folder, navigate to the MQL4 if you're using the MT4 version, navigate to MQL5 if you're using the MT5 version. In both cases, just go to indicators. For the MT4, you can paste it here. For the MT5, just enter examples and paste it in there, after which you should come back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, after that you should see your high-low channel indicator. Just drag and drop on your chart, ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked, and then you can find the customizable settings here, which of course you can modify if you wish. Now this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, it automatically plots dynamic channels based on recent swing highs and lows, right? You can see that it helps you to identify important swing highs and lows, not channels actually. It just highlights your important swing highs and lows, and then of course you can see this numbering, helping you to get additional information. So the emphasis is going to be on the highs and lows actually. And if you're a breakout trader, you want to look for buy opportunities after price breaks above the swing high being identified. On the other hand, you want to look for sell opportunities if price breaks below the swing low that has been identified. Okay, but make sure you always get confirmations, right? You want to get confirmation candlestick patterns or any other confirmations of your choice, whether it's through other indicators. All right, but just make sure that you have a confluence at least before you execute a trade. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this might just be a good time to do that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.